At last the weather has arrived. This is the weather we've been after. Well, you could lose yourself in here, that's for sure. Daisy and Katrina in the house. Mark's washed his socks. Well, it's absolutely incredible. Stopped here last night, it was pretty windy. The sea was rough, it was pouring down all night, all morning. And we might get another day in kayaking yet, look at it. Here we are, we're back at Burton Port. Just waiting for Daisy and Katrina, or as Matt calls her, Catriona. Don't you know? We're going out there to Aaron Moor. Bit better than it was last time we was here. You can actually see it. Here we go at Burton Port. Oh yes. Right, there's a myriad of islands here. I think that one's Rutland. You can't see, this is all, they're all different islands these, and channels in between them. Coming onto low water now. The big one at the back is Aaron Moor. Look at that. 50 Mercury, that's 1976, that's bloody hell, it can't be 50 years old this time. Look at prop, Jesus, it's like a chainsaw. 1976. 40, oh my god, that is scary. 40 years old. We're joined today by Desmond and Katrina.
Okay.
It's Katrina, isn't it? It's not Catriona, is it?
Well, it's Katrina I get called, but it's spelled Catriona.
I know, but it's still Katrina, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've been arguing for this for 3 days.
He keeps saying Catriona, said it?
I have to say, the whole time I was in Alaska, they treated me to being called Catriona the whole time. But see, by the end of the fortnight, it's too much. I liked it when they said it in the beginning, and then I thought, no, that's on TV.
I can't wait for Matt Fat if I go with one of these paddles.
Say here.
What are you doing, Alan?
Go on, Matt! Look at him!
He's right on the edge. She won't sit on it and she won't sit off it. And I don't want to rip the skateboard. Oh, a paddle! I want to make sure.
Your verdict?
Caught the last day.
Lollipop stick.
Try doing a brace with it.
Yeah, it's not right now. Okay, I'm good.
It's not happening, is it?
It's supporting.
Eh?
It's got support.
Apparently they put as much in the water as a normal blade because it goes in deeper, but... Break the bad news to Katrina, her knickers are hanging in water.
What do you say?
Your knickers are hanging in water.
The hat. Spare hat. I didn't realise that this one wasn't there. I put a spare hat on the back.
Looks like a pair of knickers to me. 40s.
40 years probably.
Has it got a traditional roof or roof trusses?
Roof trusses.
So, you've got big trouble. You could have big trouble. Look how shallow it is here. Well, where does the ferry go? Where's the channel for the ferry?
Over that side.
Right. Help, I'm drowning. No chance here, have you? Do you know Pool Harbour's like this? You can paddle right across it.
Being a famous.
Oh yeah, you can do a bit of punting. Matt's back on his paddle, I see. There's an island out here called Rough Island, and there's one round Aaron. Oh, what was it called now? Giant's Reek. That was it. Giant Reek. Your socks this morning, Giant Reek. It was that bad. He had them hanging out the window of his van. He couldn't stand them in his own van, his own socks. Look at this here.
I could never understand your accent on the phone. I could never understand what you're saying.
Wow, look at that. It's like the sillies. Don't need got sillies now. Is this the channel then?
Just leads back around the way we came.
What's she saying?
I don't know.
See you out there. We're going this road. Is that the way? It must be the way. It's a game of hide and seek. Well, you could lose yourself in here, that's for sure. So it is. Did you see that one on YouTube that caught fire?
Yeah.
That wind thing.
Yeah, I saw it in paper.
Just have a look at that sky. It's fantastic. I love it. Daisy and Katrina in the house.
We can normally paddle up there.
But not today.
Not today. Well, not now. We're putting an hour or two.
I fancy dragging my boat about half a mile. Shall we have a go? This is Burton Port. Oh yeah. There's Daisy cutting a swathe in this deep water. Doing a bit of punting. Everybody's got them pumps now, haven't they?
I ever broken one on the Liffey descent, the race, on a weir, like a concrete weir, and it was on a double. One went over on the, went sideways on the weir, and then went over. The boat went over. So it just felt like a matchstick.
Yeah, we've got a bit of current here now. So the channel between Rutland, I forget what this island's called on the right here. This one's called Rutland. Looks good down there. Looks very inviting down there. Really good down there. Here's the ferry. €45, I believe. To Aaron Moore. That's where we went the other day. Them cliffs, them's them over there. You know, from Rossbeg, from Zombie Island. Oh, now we've had it. What are we going to do now? We've had it now. Moving water. Moving water. Look at Daisy in paradise there. Cutting a swathe. Nobody knows. Look at that, mate. We could be down at them cliffs now. Can you imagine it? Them waterfalls and that.
About to make your video clip look epic.
Yeah, because you've got out the way. You got out the shot. Look at these beaches here.
Full of turd.
In one. Just look at it over there. That's where we was the other day where me and Matt went them cliffs. It was epic over there, absolutely epic. But it was, the swell was just too much for us. No good for Mark this though. Cliffs and caves he wants. Cliffs and caves and arches. Nothing else will do, and seals. And big swells. My God, look at that. That's the back end of the Sleeve League. The Sleeve 2, sorry. That's where we want to be. It's incredible down there. Absolutely incredible. It's where we should be. Look at this sky now. Magic. There we go, the Sound of Arran. I think this is Rutland here, Rutland Isle. Not to be confused with Rutland in England. And this is Arran Moor. Where on earth are we going now? Be a slog back, you know. Sloggy.
I'm going to snap my paddle now.
Over your knee. in frustration. She's rounding the point at Crohy Head. Oh, that's the square tower he's on about down there. Thought he meant this square tower. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Crohy Head. Not Crowy Nose, Crohy Head. There's an old ruin there.
And it's just round the headland by 5 miles up there.
No, the old ruin is you. I want about. There's an old ruin, and there's some knackered old buildings on the headland behind him. Fantastic scenery. Oh my God. It's a lovely place, but the sea's just that too bit rough for me, a bit comfortable getting my camera out. There ain't no way we're going in them caves. No, sir. Oof. Up and down like a bride's nightie I am. This is not so bad now, I can handle this. Look at Mark there, loving it. No, I'm going to have a lie back here now and enjoy the view.
Right, hold on a wee minute.
Oh yeah. Matt's going for it, the arch. Oh dear. She's going to end up in tragedy. Come on, we've got to go through. We can't let them lot do it, and we can't, can we? The Gully of Death, the Cave of Death, the Arch of Death. Katrina going for it or what? Did she make a will before she left, Des? Write it out now, we'll be a witness. Ah, it's a pussycat, look. Fabulous in that sunshine, innit? It makes all the difference, doesn't it, the sunshine? Heading back now after our destination at the gates of Gethsemane, the Arch of Death. I'm struggling to keep a still camera here, it is quite choppy. Oh, it's magnificent. That island, that mountain over there, is just something else. I can just keep still. I'm trying to watch the viewfinder and watch the waves at the same time, and it's not easy. Yes.
Keep wrapping up to kiss each other.
Well, I think.
Like we do, but we edit the bits out when we do that.
Oi, I think somebody's a bit cold. Look at that sunset, mate. You was on about it, ain't you?
Shot's about to become awesome.
Oh, it's become awesome. I don't think I'm coming to the end of my card. Well, looky here. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, 28 minutes left. I thought I had 2 minutes left on my tape. On my card, 28 minutes left. Wow. So that's Arran Island. The first proper sunset. It's the first sunset full stop we've seen while we've been here. Look at that behind us. And that moon. Check out that moon. There's that moon in the shot. Can't see him. Where's that bloody map? Can't see him. Where is he? where he is. Yeah, that's good. That is good. It's the last bit of the sun you're going to get. 9:30. Not bad. Oh yeah, we're further west, aren't we, than Wales. It'll be dark now in Wales. It'll have gone down, and Liverpool and that. We're further west. See? This is what happens, man. Red sky at night. The paddling won't be shite. That is one mean and moody and magnificent sky.
That won't need no photoshopping, will it?
No. Photoshop the Nazi helmet on you though. Get Matt, he's pow-fagged. Pow-fagged. It's amazing. It's 10:15. 10:15.
What?
Yep. The end of the trip.
Thankfully.
Oof. It's been an awesome day, that. This is
Awesome afternoon, you mean?
well, yeah. Yeah. The day was spent washing our smalls, wasn't it? Coming up to Burton Port now. This is one of the lights, one of the guiding lights. That wind's like turned to north really now. Look at that sea. Oh, liquid sea. There's Burton Port there to the right. That's where Matt's heading. We've got an absolutely awesome crescent moon as well. Look at this. Is the... Oh, it's struggling to focus the camera in this low light. Oh god, can't grumble at that.